how to recover your X account without backup. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and go to your X login page and click on forgot password. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email, phone, or username and click on search. Once you do that, they're going to go ahead and find your account, and you want to simply go ahead and click on I don't have access to these, because it is going to go ahead and ask you to go ahead and get an email or send a code to your number. Once you tap on I can't access any of these, you can simply go ahead and answer your questions that they are going to go ahead and ask you to verify it is your account. So when did you create your account, where did you last log in, and so on and so forth, and then you'll get a further instruction sent to your email. So it is as simple as that. You can reset your password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.